Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode in my full stack web development course. Today we'll talk about lists in HTML. It seems that you will be so excited to do this. Okay, so first let's open our Visual Studio Code. Okay, and I'll create a file lists.html. In HTML you can do lists. These lists can be ordered, means ordered in numbers, and unordered means you put points. Okay, so let's start, for example, with making steps to make a cake, for example. Here are some steps. Okay, so I want them to be, for example, in ordered list. Okay, so you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, and more all over. Okay, so I'm gonna close this from here. Just a minute, and just close this. Okay, now I will divide my screen. So here, how to do an ordered list. We'll open like this a bracket and say OL. L means a list, O means ordered. Okay, so first thing I will make here, also open a bracket for each one and type LI, so it's list. Okay, so I'll post this. Okay, so I'll first do the first step, prepare, example, baking pans. So I'll post the video, and when I'm done I will show you. Okay, so now let's check what we did. Okay, so here we make them on ordered list, so they must be ordered by numbers. Okay, let's say that we want to make them by points. So write U means unordered, and then we will write L, unordered list. Here also the same thing. Gonna refresh, and we got them on points. Example, let's change what we wrote. So here, for example, let's say okay, for example, we made it get ready 3, 2, 1 go. For example, there will be in points here, get ready 3, 2, 1 go. Let's, for example, make it ordered using numbers, so we change it to O, refresh, and we got it in numbers. So that was the lesson of today, and see you in the next video.